I'm back with some human hair from my good friends over there at West Kiss Hair. We have worked with them many times in the past, and you know that's how I do human hair on this channel. Before I vouch for a company, I have to, use them 2 or 3 times, and if they, check all the boxes, we add them to our regular rotation. So West Kiss has definitely checked those boxes over the years, so they are in our regular rotation. If you look down in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this unit as well as all the details and all that jazz. So I was working with West Kiss back before they had this nice pretty pink hard box, but I think that the packaging is so pretty. On the inside, not only did they include the wig, they also included some HD stocking caps, some eyelashes, some big eyelashes, an edge band with their name on it, a silk storage case, storage bag, I'm sorry, with their name on it, as well as all their socials and how to get in contact with them on the back. And I believe this is a bonnet. Let me make sure though, don't let me lie to you. And a bonnet. Okay, so all those little extras matter because like I tell you guys, when you are buying human hair, it can be expensive. It is definitely an investment in yourself. So it makes it a little bit easier when you click that submit button to get those little extras. Now this wig that I'm about to review is 16 inches long. It's a medium cap size. It comes with HD lace. Let us see. It's really pretty. That's a really pretty curl pattern. Oh, that's super pretty. And the density feels really full. I can't remember what density I ordered, but like I said, look at the description box and you will see. Oh, this is gonna be a throw on and go, and y'all know I love an easy throw on and go unit. So in the front, you get a good amount of parting space. Like I said, look in the description box because I can't remember exactly what I ordered, but you get a good amount of parting space. There is nothing to tack down. There is nothing to glue. You get a comb here to the right. You get a comb to the left. In the back, you also get a comb, and they have made this cap, even though it says it's a medium cap size, it is extremely stretchy, which is a plus. And they have attached the band in here that'll make the wig like flush to your head and make it so it's glueless. You don't have to do anything to it. And it is also adjustable. Okay, so this is going to be a dope unit. I can already tell this is going to be really easy. Before I cut off the lace though, let me put it on my head so we can see what it looks like. Oh y'all, I just noticed something else. Not only is the wig just dope, it's also got the cutouts above your ears, so this will fit extremely comfortably on your head. And I'm so excited that West Kiss has jumped on the bandwagon and done that. This little curvature right there above the ear, so it'll fit really comfortably. Okay, let me put it on before I cut off the lace so we can see what it looks like, and then we'll style it. Actually, I don't even think I have to cut off lace. I think everything has been pre-done on this wig, y'all. And it has. Y'all look at that. And I mean, that's right out of the pack. I have reviewed 4 other human hair wigs today, and by far, I can tell that this is the best one that I've done, and I haven't even applied water or anything to this yet. That's no powder, that's no glue, there's no lace cut off, none of that. And this is how pretty this is. This is one that I'm pretty sure my mom or my little sister is gonna try to take. Yeah. All right, so let me put some water. You'll see me use that spray bottle. It's just water and leave-in conditioner. Let me spray that on the unit, play around with it, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Be right back.
I just wanna get away, just sit right next to you.
on this wig. This wig was pure perfection straight out of the box. All I had to do was spray it down with some water and leave-in conditioner, and this is what we got. Remember I said earlier the density felt really like high on this unit, and it does. Looking at it, I'm not sure if this is 150 density. I think the density might be a little bit higher, but that's a good thing because this is the kind of hair that you want. The bigger the better. The more you play with it, the bigger that it will get. But this is literally almost like having a baseball cap in a wig. You throw it on and go. The other thing I want to speak to is the comfortableness of this wig. I was a little nervous when I saw that it was a medium cap size, but because of the way that it's cut out over my ears, look at that. And because of that adjustable band, this feels really, 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 really comfortable on my head. I don't have a single complaint about this wig, and this is one that I definitely can recommend that you go check out from West Kiss Hair. But that's every unit that I've gotten from them. One of my most favorite blonde units came from West Kiss Hair. So they are very versatile. They got a lot of stuff to choose from. So be sure to click that link and go and check them out. In the comments, talk to me. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are on this wig, because this wig to me just screams springtime, summertime. And it's very, very pretty. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.